The new factory from the world's largest electric automaker is poised to give a significant boost to the local Hungarian economy.
Just because of this project, this area will have the certain place on the map.
Antal Joseph Metzaros is the CEO of one of the companies involved in building the roads near BYD's upcoming manufacturing plant. He anticipates an increased demand for even more infrastructure projects once the factory's construction starts.
But last year we employed 123 people.
Yeah. Would you be hiring more if you get the contract to do more?
We will.
BYD's manufacturing plant will cover approximately 3 square kilometers and is expected to create approximately 3,000 jobs in Szeged and the surrounding area. According to Hungary's government, this initiative is one of the most substantial investments in the country's recent history.
The presence of a multinational company is significant because it sets in motion a multiplying effect in our city.
Dr. Attila Kukuti is the president of Szeged's Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He says BYD's investment will significantly enhance the local economy. Last year, BYD sold 1.8 million battery-powered vehicles worldwide, including plug-in hybrids, outpacing Tesla, which sold 1.3 million electric cars.
In the long term is that this positions Hungary really at the heart of this green transition to electric vehicles.
BYD's plant factory will be close to the Belgrade-Budapest railway line, currently under construction.
And for this factory to be there on that rail line right beside the Serbian border means that it's an important plus for Hungary. It shows that this new railway that's being developed will stimulate new industry.
BYD's plant will be constructed in multiple phases over the course of 3 years. Hungary is accelerating infrastructure projects with the aim they will solidify the country's status as a key European hub for battery and electric vehicle manufacturers.